Hey guys, what's up? This is Serge, and in today's video, I'll show you 5 quick and simple text effects you can apply to your titles right in Final Cut Pro. These include transparent text, underwater text, flickering neon effect, glitch title, and a wipe on text effect. Let's jump right into Final Cut Pro and get started. First up is a transparent text or video and text effect. Select your video you want playing inside your text and add it to your timeline. With your playhead at the start of your clip, add a title above your timeline. For this example, I'll use a simple basic title. Enter your text and adjust the font and size of your title to take up as much screen as you can. To get the most out of this effect, try and use one of the heavier fonts included in Final Cut Pro. Next, with your title clip selected, in the inspector, select the Video tab, and from the Blend Mode drop-down menu, select Stencil Alpha. This will give you a black background with a video clip only showing through inside the letters. If, instead of a black background, you want a different color, or even a video, place another clip under your timeline, and combine the top 2 clips into a compound clip by command-clicking them, and using the keyboard shortcut Option G. This will make your background transparent, so you'll be able to see whatever is under your compound clip. Next up is the underwater text effect. Once again, select a suitable clip to place this title over and add a basic title. Enter your text and select your preferred font and size. Position your title, and to make it fit in a little bit better, from the Blend Mode drop-down menu, select Soft Light. Now, to add a water refraction effect to your title, press Command 5 to open the effects browser, and from the distortion category, drag and drop the underwater effect onto your title clip. Up in the inspector, adjust the size, speed, and the refraction sliders until the motion in your title matches your clip. Your title should look something like this. The third effect we'll take a look at today is the flickering neon sign effect. Once again, add a basic title above your clip and enter your title text. Now, in the top of the text inspector, open the drop-down menu, select 2D styles, and choose neon. Adjust the font, size, and the color of your text to make it just the way you like it. To add the flicker effect, we'll keyframe our opacity slider. Set your playhead on the first frame of the title clip, and with the clip selected, in the inspector, click on the Video tab. Set the opacity slider to about 30, and add a keyframe. Move ahead a couple of frames and drop the opacity down to 10. Move one frame ahead and bring the opacity up to 75. Skip a couple of frames and drop it down to 50. Skip a couple more frames and bring the opacity up to 100. Depending on the length of the flicker effect you want, keep keyframing the opacity slider. For mine, I'll add a few flickers in the middle of my title and some flickering at the end. After rendering, your clip should look similar to mine. Number 4 on our list is a very popular glitch title effect, and it's very simple. Add your title above your clip, adjust the look of it, and position it where you want. Open your effects browser, and from the Stylize category, apply the bad TV effect to your title clip. With your playhead at the start of the clip, add a keyframe to the roll slider. Move ahead 10 frames by holding down Shift and pressing the right arrow key, and bring the roll slider up to 100. Move to the end of your clip with a down arrow key, and go back 10 frames by pressing Shift and left arrow keys. Add a keyframe here to the roll slider. Down arrow again to go to the end of the clip, and bring the roll slider back to 0. Next, go to the start of your clip, zoom in on your timeline, and press B on your keyboard to switch to the blade tool. Go through your clip one frame at a time, and using the blade tool, click on the clip to cut it on every frame. Make 8 cuts at the start of your clip and 8 at the end. Press 8 to switch back to the select tool. Command click every second segment and press delete to delete them from your timeline for a flickering effect. Your title should now look like this. And last on our list is a title wipe effect. For this, you need a clip with either a person or an object that moves across the screen. For my example, I have a clip with a busy street with lots of people walking by, so this will be perfect. First, add and adjust your title. Next, place your playhead to where your subject is about to cross the title. From the Effects browser, select the Masks category and add a draw mask to your clip. In the viewer, add control points to outline the back of your subject. And close your mask on the opposite side of your text. In the inspector, select the Video tab and add a keyframe to control points. Press P on your keyboard to switch to the position tool, go through a clip one frame at a time, and move your control points to follow the back side of your subject until your title is fully revealed. When you play back your clip, your title is revealed by your subject as they go by for this cool wipe on effect. So there you have it, 5 simple and cool text effects to try in your next project. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the rest of my channel for more Final Cut Pro tutorials. New videos uploaded weekly, so make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here next week.